Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You, and 12 plus years of IT industry experience. Friends, there is a breaking news, there is a big news which is currently coming here from TCS. Now the next joining date in TCS is 12th of August 2024, and one of the student has got joining letter in 2 hours after filling this joining readiness survey. So you can see here the offer letter for this particular candidate Arunodaya BS. The offer letter was released on 12th of July 2024, and you can see the joining letter for the same candidate has been released on 29th of July 2024, right? So today is 29th of July and the joining letter has been released today, right? So we will talk in detail. Before that, friends, I just wanted to tell you, right? So please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also please like the video, because even a small information we are bringing it to all of you. So I request all of you to please do like the video to appreciate the effort, and we will be giving you all the information like this. Now, so friends, definitely let me go back and tell you. So now you have to be ready, okay? Because any point of time you can get joining. So if we'll compare earlier how TCS used to do, so your joining will come after you complete your Explore program. So there will be 2-3 months time, but now the time is not there, right? So your joining can come any point of time, as you can see here. So today only that candidate received this particular mail, right? That joining readiness survey where 3 questions will be asked to you. So are you ready to join? Do you have all semester mark sheet? Have you received your provisional certificate? And if you are saying yes, I have all the documents, right? Then you can see 12th of July was the offer letter date, right? So here 12th of July offer letter was released, okay? And that particular candidate, the same candidate Arunodaya BS, right? So now he has received for the digital role basically. So now he has received the joining letter, right, which you can see here 29th of July, that means today, and 12th of August 2024 will be his joining. So basically he said like he filled this joining survey, and after 2 hours the particular joining letter he has received, right? So friends, now what you have to do, so you have to collect all your documents. And one more thing, right? So it is very clear that you, even if you do not complete your Explore program, right? So even if you do not complete your BGC, right? Even if you do not complete your Explore, right? Then also you will be getting your joining. So that's what I was telling all of you, right? See, the problem is you guys will not listen when I talk something, right? I had told you, right, in my second video of BGC, if you'll see. So BGC is for your background verification, which will be keep happening even if you join, right? So even if you join TCS, this will be keep happening. So you do not have to worry. And regarding your Explore and ILP also, I am going to talk in this video a little bit, right? But this does not have, right? So if you have the documents, so you can go for joining. Now as your joining letter has come, so now you have to upload NSR, right? Now you have to upload your medical certificate, and now you have to upload non-criminal affidavit. So anyway, I will get more information from that student, right? And tomorrow I will make one more video. But please get ready, the brand, the TCS is calling you, right? Okay, so don't miss this joining survey, please do respond, okay? Now, so one thing which I wanted to highlight here, please see. So this is regarding your TCS Initial Learning Program ILP. So this point you see, the duration of your, right? So the duration of your TCS Initial Learning Program is based on your performance in TCS pre-joining Explore Learning Program and business requirement, right? So friends, see, please try to understand what has been told. So in your ILP, right? So right now, if you finish, right, your Explore before you join, so if you do it properly, then the ILP, right, here you see Initial Learning Program will be sought, right? Because already you have gone through all this Explore program. So if you have done it very carefully, done it with very much dedication, so your ILP will be sought, right? Okay. Also, in case if you don't complete the explore, but the company needs, suppose if you have worked on AIML or some kind of technology and company need it badly, that resource, then also they will take you. That is the meaning of that, right? So friends, see, from your side you do all the things, whatever is assigned to you, whatever you can do. Rest of the things you leave it on TCS, right? Regarding documents also, friends, many things already I have told you, right? But you need a proof, I know, right? So your mentality. So here one thing. So if you know, regarding your birth certificate and all, so respected sir, madam, can 10th, right? So can 10th mark sheet be submitted instead of birth certificate, right? Birth affidavit for the proof. So dear candidate, so yes, it will be considered. Warm regards. So friends, see, your birth certificate, right? So if birth certificate, okay, so birth certificate, if you have a birth certificate, well and good, right? If you have a birth certificate in English language, right? So suppose two languages are there, English is mandatory. If it is Hindi or English, well and good, okay, no problem. Birth, if you do not have it, right, you can also get birth affidavit, okay, fine. Now if this also you cannot get it, okay, in that case you can go for your 10th certificate also. There your date of birth will be there, right? Okay. But friends, I always say, for the safer side, get, wherever you have doubt, get the affidavit done. That's all. Upload that, no problem at all, right? So friends, this is the good news, and once again I wanted to tell you all the very best. You join TCS, right? And I will be the most happiest person for each one of you, because you have put a lot of effort. And once you join TCS, the dream of a, I know, a father, the dream of, I will say, like a poor father and a poor mother, because for them you are everything, not the money or not the other things, right? So the dream of their kids, their child, their son, their daughter getting into the brand company TCS will definitely become true. So I will pray definitely from the God. So all the very best. Take care. Bye bye.